Here we have a heel hack. So this is for those who like to wear the strappy heels. So basically she's tying the strap underneath the heel in order to get more of a taut strap and to keep the heel on. Love it. Such a simple hack, yet an effective one. And it's great if you do like wearing the strappy heels. And then we see this dress hack. So she's using 2 hoop earrings. Oh wow, so cute. And then we have someone taking a bed sheet and turning it into a dress. I like this color. It's like a nice, pretty nude shade. So she did do like pattern and sewing for this one. Definitely something that you learn in like fashion school if you don't know how to do it yourself. Oh, she did a great job. So cute. Short tank top. So she turned it into like a two-top style. Oh no, she's turning it into a crop top. Okay. Nice, simple. If you don't feel like buying one, just make your own. That's an easy hack. Bra hack for 1 shoulder tops. Okay, so she's pretty much putting that over her head and bam. Got yourself a strapless bra. So here we have someone turning their scarf and wrapping it around their bra in order to make a top. Cute little summer hack. Different ways to tuck in your shirt. So she's got like a basic t-shirt for this. Oh, she's turning it into a crop top. Cute. I like that idea. Okay, I don't feel like that would stay. Like you clip it down, I don't feel like that would stay. And it looks like here she's just doing another crop top variation. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these fashion hacks with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.